1/3.
All ahead, 1/3.
G'day, this is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. Stand by to dive.
Diving station.
Main induction closed. Pressure in the boat.
Rescue readings are normal.
Flood the main ballast tanks.
Diving main tanks.
Let's take her down.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Dive. Troop our diving planes, 3 degrees.
Trimming our diving planes, 3 degrees down.
Take it out easy. Catch her at 10 fathoms. Speed 06 and 1/2 knots.
06 and 1/2.
Steer 30 degrees.
Right rudder, 30 degrees.
All ahead full. Steady as she goes.
All ahead full.
As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city.
Aye, aye, Captain. Lost City, dead ahead, sir.
Thanks. Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. Surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries. Fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
world has always been considered a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Oh, where are you, son? Too deep for you. Come aboard, explorers. Oh, let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers. It's time to go. Hey, squash.
Nemo, wanna ride some tasty waves? Sure, Squirt. Where? EAC, dude. It'll be like, whoa. Like, whoa.
Nemo, lost again.
Captain,
Nemo.
we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady. Take her into the car. All hands standing.
Aye, aye.
Powerful flow of the East Australian Current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome to the EAC, Mini Marlin.
This is fun!
Nemo, Nemo, this is not funny, and I'm no funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo.
Dude, check it out. Wow. It's a big sunken butt. See?
Nemo, where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
I am looking for my son.
I can help. Oh,
It's Nemo.
Where?
I don't know. That's why we're trying to find him.
By who?
My son, Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together. Yes, have you seen him?
I've seen him. I saw
Hello, morsels. There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry, I'm not going to eat you, at least not all at once.
No, no, Bruce. Remember the pledge.
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You put one of these balloons on.
Secure all stations. System check.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full. Hey, Squirt. I don't know. Race it there. Okay, go.
Dory?
Wait.
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Closer.
Something touched me!
That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anybody. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory!
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory, too.
Uh-oh. What's that? It looks like...
Ooh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloonish. Boing.
It's jellyfish!
You're good. Boing, boing. And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
Mr. Smart Pants.
Stop playing games! No, don't. Right to a party! Let's go!
I love parties! I found a hot tub!
It's not about finding hot tubs! It's about finding... Oh, I found you! I was so worried! We're alive! We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo! Nemo, say something!
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course, when fish can fly.
Oh, I found Chico!
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, girl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, well, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! You should have seen me surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some fed. Noggin.
Nemo! Check out all the whales! See me Plankton? He says that whales are made krill! Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Oh! That's what hungry whales!
Does that smell kind of whalish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm gonna... Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Whoa! A big yellow whale! Wait, stop! Goodbye! Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do? We swim, swim, swim. Bye!
Crikey!
Shall I enter any of this into the log?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.